Hi, boys and girls. We're going to take a look at our calendar today. How we're in the first week of November. And yesterday, which was Sunday, by the way, we changed over to the month of November. How about that? Check that out. So yesterday was actually the first day of November. Let's say our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Sunday, which is the first day of the week, actually happened to be the first day of our new month, November, also. So if yesterday was Sunday, what will today be? When we say the days, we say Sunday. What comes next? Starts with an M. Monday. So today is Monday. And we don't have to count very far, right? How far do we have to count? Just 1, 2. Today is the second day of November. So let's see if we can say the date today. Today is Monday, November 2nd, 2020. Now, let's see if we can figure out what tomorrow will be. So we've been talking about that yesterday, today, tomorrow. So what day of the week will tomorrow be? That'll be after you sleep tonight and get up. Sunday, Monday. This is the one that starts with TU. Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right. So, I want to show you a new trick today with some bigger numbers and show you how you can count them really fast. So, I'm going to put some bigger equations up here today. Oh, let's see. Now, I did make a pattern over here. I went 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we're going to write another one, what would the number be? It would be 10. And every single time I added the same number, 5. So I would expect to see a pattern over here when we're finished. Okay, so let's see if that happens. Now, here's my new trick. So, when you get numbers that are bigger than you don't have enough fingers to count them, we don't want to start taking our shoes off and doing toes, right? So here's my new trick. You can put the biggest number in your head and then the rest of your fingers up and count on. Now watch. Now I've got 5 and 5, so either way, doesn't matter, right? But I'm going to put one of the 5s in my head, and then I'm going to put 5 up, and I'm going to count on that way. All right, because your brain can remember a number and then you can just count on. So let's see, let's try it. I'm going to touch my head when I do it because that helps me get started. So I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is 5 plus 5 10? Because we have 10 fingers, and it is. All right, you can trust your brain. If you trust your brain, it'll be just fine. My next one is 6 plus 5. So 6 is bigger than 5. So I'm going to put 6 in my head, and I'm going to put 5 up, and I'm going to count on from there. So touch your brain. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I think I already see a pattern over here. Look, 10, 11. What will that next number be? Let's see. All right, it's 7 and 5. I'm going to put the big number in my head. 7's the biggest, so I'm going to put that up here and put 5 up. Are you ready? Do it with me. You're going to touch your head when you say 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We were right. That followed the pattern. 10, 11, 12. I would think the next one will be this. What do you think? Do you think it'll be 13? All right, trust your brain to put 8 in your head and 5 up. All right, you ready? We're going to touch and say 8, and then we're going to count on. Ready? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It was. Awesome. All right, now here's a big one, 9 plus 5. So I'm going to trust my head. I'm going to say 9. I got 9 in there already. I'm going to put 5 more up. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What do you think the last one's going to be? Let's look. Let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think it'll be 15. What do you think? Let's see. I'm going to put 10 in my head because that's the biggest number. Okay? 10 up here and 5 up. You ready? We're going to touch when we say 10 and then count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right? So that's a new trick. We'll start using that trick when we get into those bigger numbers and we don't have enough fingers and we don't want to take our shoes off. All right? So we don't have any new letters this week because this is a review week, but I do want to write a sentence with some sight words that we already know and some color words. All right? So we're going to write a sentence and we're going to use some sight words that we know and some color words that we know. So my sentence today is, do you like red and blue? All right, ready? 5, 6. I need 6 words to write my sentence. And the sentence starts with do. So I need a capital D at the beginning of do. And I'm going to leave a nice finger space. And I don't know if you ever hear anybody say, if someone's trying to say you and they say Y-O-U, because that's how you spell you. Do you. What's the next word that I said? Do you like? All right, that's one of our sight words that we know. How many letters does it take to spell like? Do you remember? L-I-K-E. All right, starts with L, and then I hear that long I sound. Well, it said its own name. Now, I know when it does that, sometimes there's this at the end, an E that doesn't say anything. It makes this have that long sound. It makes that I say long I. All right? Do you like, and then I'm going to use a color word, red. Do you remember what red looks like? Well, what does this start with? Yes, starts with R. What do you hear in the middle? E. Red. D. R-E-D spells red. Do you like red and, I'm going to leave a nice space. Next color word was blue. Do you remember what blue looks like? I hear a blend at the beginning of blue. We say 2 letters together and they just sort of flow together really nicely, the B and the L. Blue. All right? B-L-U-E spells blue. All right, let's read it and see how it sounds so we know what kind of mark to put at the end. Ready? Do you like red and blue? Oh, did you hear my voice? My voice went up a little bit at the end. When your voice goes up a little bit at the end, you're asking someone a question. Do is a question word. Do you like? Okay, I'm asking a question. And we're going to make that nice little question mark there. Around, straight down, and dot. Around, straight down, and dot. Okay, I'm asking a question. So when someone reads this, when they see this mark at the end, they'll know that it's a question. All right, let's read it again together. You ready? Do blue? Good job. All right. Practice your sight words and your color words this week. Good job.